Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your JBL Live 400 with your MacBook. So first of all, you need to find this button. It's located next to the volume up and volume down button, and we have to simply turn our headphones by using this button. Right now this indicator turns on, and we have to click once on the Bluetooth button to activate Bluetooth pairing. As you can see right now, it was blinking, but right now it stops blinking for some reason. So let's try to do this one more time. Let's click another time on this Bluetooth button, and as you can see right now, we are successfully in the pairing mode. So we have to go to the settings, open Bluetooth. Next, take a look for the nearby devices and select JBL Live 400 Bluetooth headphones from the list. Right now you can just simply go to the sound settings and be sure that JBL Live 400 are selected for the output and the input device. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.